words, I will be brief. The Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act violates the First Amendment. It infringes our freedom of association, free speech, free exercise of religion, and parental rights by causing all children and dependents from birth through age 26 to be automatically enrolled in the mandated coverage. This gives to children without knowledge or consent of their parents coverage for sterilization, early abortion pills, and other medication and procedures that will not appear on your explanation of benefits and will fall under patient privacy laws. Youngsters cannot give adequate medical histories to providers, and they cannot be optimally cared for given after a procedure without support and follow-up at home. But these medical concerns must take a back seat to a pro-abortion agenda. In February, the Obama administration said that religious organizations would only have this coverage for their dependents who desire it. But in March, the administration announced that it would be automatic. That's in Federal Register 16505. The HHS mandate coverage must be provided at the beginning of a company's fiscal year starting August 1st, 2012. We were told that religious employers would get some kind of exemption from the HHS mandate, but then we found out there was no such compromise. That to be exempt, the organization could only serve its own constituents, as Bishop Slattery alluded to. This is such an alien understanding of Christian practice that one must conclude that either a militant ignorance or a true hostility to religion underlies this law. Here's a note for the general public. This law ignores not only religious people, but any people who object to abortion for any reason. Thus, if someone is enrolled in a plan that includes elective abortion coverage, at least $1 per month will be taken directly out of their paycheck for all types of abortions, even late-term abortions. If only half of plans include this abortion premium, we will be funding almost twice as many abortions as we currently have in the U.S. The Act also violates federal law, which says that no federal funds will be used to pay for abortion. This has been an arrangement that people of faith have tolerated in this country. But this new mandate is not tolerant of the tender consciences of many of its citizens. Americans have never forced Americans to kill people, but rather we have always had a proud tradition of honoring conscientious objection. If we are not heard, that tradition will end on August 1st, 2012. But if we summon the faith of Mother Teresa, the steadfastness of Abigail Adams, the resourcefulness of Harriet Tubman, we might and must fix this. Thank you.